Julian, I haven't had the chance to film you yet.
Oh, hey.
Hey Julian, what's up?
Is that the vlog?
Yes, it's the vlog.
Even though it's over?
Guys, confirm Julian keeps up with the vlog.
Yeah, of course. Always.
Day 2. Alright guys, this world-class card is Bao Hua. And here we have 2 decks of playing cards. The Ace of Hearts one is from USPCC. The Queen of Hearts one is from Make Playing Cards.
Ooh, MPC.
Alright. USPCC, Make Playing Cards. We're gonna pass world-class cardist Bao Huang one of these 2 decks. Will he be able to tell the difference? So here's deck number 1.
Is this the back?
These are the faces.
That's face up now.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. Now this is the other deck. Alright, here you go.
This is hard because initially I thought the other one was MPC, but this one, I don't know. USPCC, but this is tough. Okay, I say this is USPCC, the other one is MPC.
Pass me back the deck without opening your eyes.
Okay.
Alright, open your eyes. You will never know.
No!
Now you got it right!
I got it right. Okay.
Woo!
Yeah, it's actually pretty hard to tell.
Right?
Like I'm pretty surprised.
Dude,
Yo.
You got it. Wait.
dude, how shook are you right now?
Crazy.
Are you going to show that?
Technology these days, right? Like,
Completely
you can just make USBCC decks.
Yeah, man.
For real?
Dude, I'm very excited for the future of
Yeah.
Make Playing Cards specifically.
Definitely. Shout out Make Playing Cards.
Yeah, man.
Are you ready?
Alex, are you watching this? Make Playing Cards. Doing a good job.
I have something special for you.
Damn. Got a pack of cards. The cardistry.
It's like I just woke up.
I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Is everyone having a great time? The logo is inspired by, the Newton's ladder.
That was so sick. I was so nervous.
Alex Pandrea!
Does everyone get one there?
Randomness allows you to make shitty fun just like in real life.
The founder of a charity called Friends of Himalayan Children.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, I'm getting a break for damn sure.
Alright, this is not a full deck review, but I just got to experience I just got a chance to experience the new broken.
He just got a chance to experience the new CCC Orange Edition, made with Katamandi's wonderful proprietary slim finish. And it's over there. And now he'll continue the thing because he can't pronounce words at all.
It's nice.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor. Turn that caper into a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen. I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we own the road. Dream machine, racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Red on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen. You make my
That was
Nasty.
right. Alright, so there's a huge difference of voting process from the last few years. In the last few years, we were given 2 cards, one red, one black. We put them into a booth, into a box at the booth, which made it just a little bit confusing and very time consuming in terms of everybody having to go to the box to put it in. Well, this year, instead of doing that, instead of doing a physical tally of the votes, the Cardistry Con community has set up a website for people to go to vote. To ensure that there isn't voting fraud and people sending to other people the link to the Cardistry Con voting site, they've made it so that you are required to enter your email address while voting. I think that's very smart and it saves a lot of time in counting the votes for the voting process. Very cool. So how many different designs are there for the button badges?
Buttons?
Yep.
For this one, it's just this design for this one.
Uh-huh.
And then this is the crazy character, I'm a shitty human.
Alright.
So,
Can I get 5 of each then? Dude, that's awesome.
Cool. There we go.
Thank you. Right. Thanks, James. Scott, which one do you want? Do you want a Cardistry one or a shitty human fan one?
Shitty human fan because my fans are pretty shitty human.
There you go. I hope you like it.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks for joining me on this adventure, man.
Hey, thank you for letting me go on this adventure with you.
Yeah.
Shitty human.
Go for it.
Thank you, my online brother.
No problem, Spencer. I hope you like it. Nice worm.
Finally got it. Thank you, Jaspas.
Okay, grab either one. It's for you.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining Patreon chat.
This is awesome.
Thanks for being at Cardistry Con.
Thank you for bringing me.
Jack,
Everyone's doing the work. Right?
why are you doing the worm?
Because it's wiggling.
It's what?
It's wiggling.
Nice. I like a wiggly worm too. It's I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
definitely shitty human.
It's very cool, huh? Alright. Well, thanks for joining me on this adventure too.
Bye.
I love you. I love you too.
When heavy hands and weary eyes, I stand defeated for you. With empty thoughts, a blackened heart is here for you to end it.
The next time you think of complaining about your hand size, just think of Caitlyn. That's insane.
Why do we quit when it gets rough? Why do we lie to those we love? Why do we quit when it gets rough? And I just wanna say
tonight's final results. I want both of the dudes to come on stage.
Winner of CCC is...
You guys are the best. We got the best community. I love all of you guys. A huge shout out to Trevor for filming it. Thanks for making this happen.
Coming on! Woo!
Thank you to everyone as well for me, the community that inspires me all the time. My family for supporting me, especially my brother who cannot be here. Also Albert, my friend who helped me film every single one of my videos. And Lars, the champion. Congratulations.
On 3 people, 1, 2, 3! Cardistry Con 2019, let's hear it!
Why is this con literally the best con yet?
This con is the best.
Because
it's the best.
come on. How am I gonna make a vlog like this? Tell me.
I don't know. What do you want me to say?